Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you the proven way of boosting your TikTok using YouTube. So quickly, if you open up your TikTok like this. So this is my TikTok. What you want to do is quite simple. You'll then open up TikTok and go to your profile section. So you come here to profile. And then once you come to profile, go ahead and copy your username. So my username is shopkampala8. So quickly just come and copy it, and then once you're done copying it, you then open up your YouTube. So my YouTube is over here, and then also come to my profile side over here in my YouTube, and then come to view channel. So once I come to view channel over here, I'll come over here and then come to settings. But before that, what I'll do is simple. I'll come to this pencil like icon here and then try to edit my channel. So once I come there, I can add some links in my channel, even in my description. So over here, I'll come to this pencil-like icon, which is near to the description. Then I'll click on it. And then down here, I'll scroll down once again and then paste my username here. So what I'll do is quite simple. I'll say, kindly follow me on my TikTok. Kindly follow me on my TikTok. Okay. And my username is at shopkampala. So what I'll do is quite simple. I'll just tap on save, and then later on my TikTok account will then boost because all my followers or all my subscribers on my YouTube channel will then see my description and then will follow me on TikTok. So quickly and simply, that is the easiest way you can boost your TikTok using YouTube. Thanks guys, we shall meet